Hey students, a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and you all are waiting for me for today's session. Okay, so your wait is over. Now I am here. So I'm Ananya Modgil, class developer of Emerging Tools. So I want that you all have to bring your English book, which is there on screen. This is your English Perfection Toolkit, one of two, Joyful D. As you know, we always start with the very first subject, English. So you all have to be ready with your English book, which is there on screen. Plus, you all have to also carry your stationery with you. Okay, so I'm waiting for you all. You all have to be ready with all the material required, and then we will start our today class. Hurry up, hurry up. I'm speaking it again for you all that you all have to be ready with your English book plus stationery with you. Then we will start our session. Okay, I hope so that you all are ready now. Let's open your book. You know that your unit B, oh, your unit C completed yesterday, and today I am gonna start with a new unit. Which unit? Unit D, right? So you all have to come on page number 18 from your booklet. Let me show you the page number. See, this is your page number 1818. So which page number you all have to open? You all have to open page number 1818. I'm repeating it again. 1818. You all have to come on page number 1818. I'm waiting for you all. Okay, so students, today we're gonna start with a new unit, Unit D, right? That is also a part of your tier 2. So today, Unit D, we have to start. Here, I'll introduce you with a new blend. Till now, we had covered three blends. Can you name them? Very first blend which we have done. Okay, you have to tell me the blend which I'll introduce you the very first, and any of the word started or ending with that blend. Fine. Okay, let's start with the revision. Then I will introduce you a new one today. Okay, so this is a little bit surprise or mock test, just a revision for you all ताकि आपको याद रहे that till now we had covered three blends. And what are the three blends? You have to tell me. The very first one, who will tell me? Hurry up. Ma'am, SH blend. Yes, that is correct. The very first blend I'll introduce is the SH blend. So now you have to give me an example or a word which is started with SH or ending with SH. Only one word. Please give me one word. Okay, whosoever know the answer, just raise your hand like this. That ma'am, I know the answer. Okay, then one by one I will ask from you all. Parents, you also have to do in this way at your home. Okay, who know the answer? Ma'am, me. Okay, please tell me. Ma'am, ship. Very good. Okay. Now, what is the second blend which I'll introduce you after SH? Ma'am, CH. Very good. Okay. Example? Ma'am, chain. Yes. Very good. Any one of you who wants to give me the answer? Ma'am, chalk. Yes. Very nice. Okay. The next blend which I'll introduce you? Ma'am, TH. Yes, we had covered TH blend in our previous session. So, give me an example. Ma'am, thin. Very good. Very nice. That means you are doing revision on regular basis. See, अगर आप revision करते हो regular basis पे, so you don't have to think more for giving the answer. Okay? So revision is must. You all have to do practice again and again. Chal, let's come over here. Now, before starting this worksheet, what you have to do? First of all, you have to write the date on top. As you know, this is a new worksheet, and it is not it is not about the new worksheet. It's about the study you do every day. So you all have to write the date, because आप कोई भी concept revise कर रहे हो, so you must have to write the date on top कि ये concept आपने कब revise करा था, and later on आपको revision की कब further ज़रूरत होगी. ठीक है. So every time whenever you do anything, just give a caption of date, right? Date आपने ज़रूर mention करनी है. That is very much important. Make it a good habit. Now, okay, so after writing the date, you just have to circle the day, because days are also mentioned. तो जो भी आज day है, you have to circle that. Okay. After that, you have to go outside, check the weather, and then circle the clip art. Okay. Nowadays, the weather is cool, right? Rainy days and monsoon hai. So you just have to observe the weather, kaisa weather hai, and then circle the clip art. That's all you have to do by on. Okay. So complete this task. I'm waiting for you. Then I will introduce you a new blend. So who all are interested to learn a new blend? Raise your hands. Everyone is interested? That's very good. Okay, so students, today the blend which I'll introduce is N G. Okay, both of are your consonants. The two consonants are there. Name them. N and G. Both are the consonants. But what is the sound it will give you when both these combine? It will give you sound, right? Whenever you see the N and G are combined, so it will give you sound right? Let me show you with an example. See, if what is this, see this picture, this is king है ना, राजा जिसको आप बोलते हो हिंदी में. So when you read this, k e give you key, ng king, right? So the sound it will give you is sound, right? Okay, let's talk about with the another example. So it's your ring g, ring. So n will give you sound okay, and g will give you sound g. So when both of these sounds combine, it will give you a sound ring ing sound, right? So this is somewhat difficult, or not difficult, we can say this is a little bit confusing, right? So आपको बार बार इसको अगर रिवाइज करना है, प्रैक्टिस करनी है, so do it with a word. वर्ड से अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे अगेन एंड अगेन, सो देन यू विल कम टू नो कि what is the sound of this blend. Okay, so always do it with a word, because earlier we do lots of the blend, right? I'll introduce you 3 blends before. So every blend is having a sound, like ch will give you ch sound. But here, if we are talking about ng, so it will gives you sound, right? So it is different from other blends. So that is a trick, you can say, or wait. So what I'm saying, that whenever you practice this blend, so do it with an word, do it with an example. Okay. Okay, now come on the next picture. What is there in this picture? See, the girls are singing a song, maybe rhyme also. Okay, so what we say? Sing, sing, right? So students, this way you have to do all of these words which is given over here. Now see, what is given in this? This is wing, right? What is it? Wing, wing, right? Okay, every time when you read the words, you have to match it with the correct picture. Don't forget this. Okay, so now before coming to the next half, we will match it with the correct picture. This is already done. You all have to just trace it properly. Okay, now let's come down. Over here you all have to come. Now see, have you ever seen this? आपके जो क्लिक पेन होते हैं या क्लच पेंसिल्स होती हैं, उसके अंदर क्या होता है? एक स्प्रिंग होता है, राइट? सो व्हाट वी कॉल इट, स प र ई, री, स प र ई, री, spree, and ng will give you sound, so spring. What is it? Spring, right? You have to read it loudly 2 more times. Spring. Okay. Now, see, what is this? This is a ring, string, ring. Okay, so it's string. Firstly, we will do spring. Now we will do string. Okay, now what we do over here? This is a swing, ing, swing. What is it? Swing, right? Okay, now see this, जब आपको इंजरी हो जाती है ना हैंड में या कहीं पर भी, सो वी विल हैंग इट विद अ क्लोथ, है ना, हम उसको हैंग कर देते हैं, तो उसको आप क्या बोलते हो? स ल इंग, स्लिंग. व्हाट वी कॉल इट? स्लिंग. व्हाट वी कॉल इट स्टूडेंट्स? इट्स स ल इंग, sling. Okay, so that's all about the ng words. Let one time revise it again, and then I will introduce you some additional words. Are you all ready now? Okay, let's come up. Okay, I will put cursor on any random word. You all have to read it. Okay, and first time when you start, so you have to take hint of the pictures given above. नेक्स्ट टाइम यू हैव टू रीड इट बाय ऑन. ओके, आप खुद से रीड करने की प्रैक्टिस करोगे, बिकॉज फर्स्ट टाइम हिंट इज मस्ट, है ना. फर्स्ट टाइम आपको हेल्प की जरूरत पड़ती है, बट सेकेंड टाइम व्हेन यू आर डूइंग रिविजन, सो डू इट विदाउट एनी हेल्प. ओके, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. नाउ रीड दिस वर्ड. क ing, king. What is it? King. Now the next is r ing, ring. Okay, now you will have to read this word. I told you that I will put my pencil on any random word. So what is it? Ing, swing. Now the next, this one, ing, sling. Now read this one, students. Ma'am, this is ing, sing. Okay, very good. Okay, this one, ma'am, it's sir. Okay, let me hide the picture. Wait, how can I forget to hide the pictures? Yes, you have to read it without picture, है ना, without any help. Okay, read this one. This is ring, spring. Very good. Okay, so that means that is clear now, right? Now we will do some additional words also with the same sound. Again, I'm saying whether it is in the beginning or whether it is in the end, sound remains same. Okay, वो एवरी ब्लेंड के साथ आपका यही चीज कॉपी होता है. ठीक है, वेदर इट इज इन बिगनिंग, चाहे वो बिगनिंग में हो चाहे वो एंडिंग में हो, साउंड ऑलवेज रिमेन सेम. साउंड हमेशा वही रहेगी. ओके, नाउ एस टी गिव यू स्ट, e, sti, and ng will give you sting, right? The next, b, r, ing, bring. The next word, th, ing, thing, h, ang, hang. Come on, the next one, ong, song, right? So students, today we learn about a new blend which is ng. ng will give you sound and whenever you do this blend, you have to do it with words. ठीक है, आप words के साथ अगर उसको करोगे तो आपको अच्छे से याद होगा और even आपको क्लियर होगा that what is the sound of this particular blend. Okay, so do it with the words. Now I'm giving you some time, till then complete it. अगर आपका किसी का भी मैच करना लेफ्ट है, रह गया है, सो यू विल कंप्लीट इट फर्स्ट एंड देन वी विल कम टू द नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट, नेक्स्ट पार्ट. Hurry up, I am watching you. You have to make a straight line to match it with the correct word. You all are doing very well. Great job. Okay, very good. So now, students, I hope so that you have done with your English subject. So you all have to do revision, okay, and share the voice recording. Whenever I'll introduce you uh, with oral part, right? अगर मैम आपको ओरल पार्ट के साथ इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं, so you have to share the voice recording with me. Okay, for oral work every time you have to share voice recording, because without getting the voice recording I am unable to get that you are pronouncing it properly or not. Okay, so every time you have to share the voice recording for the oral work, whether it is about your Hindi work, whether it is about your English one. Okay, so don't forget to share the voice recording, because if you are capturing a picture of this, so I'm unable to get that have you pronounced it properly or not. So there is of no use of capturing picture of this one. Okay, so that's all I want to say. Now today I'll introduce you with an activity, or you can say that is a journal talk, right? So today we will talk about seasons, right? Although I know that you all know about season, that there is a summer season, rainy season, winter season, but let's talk about season and let's get to know more about it. For that I'll also prepare an activity which you have to conduct at your home. Okay, so let's see आपको कितनी knowledge है and what I'll add in your knowledge. Okay,